Okay, so what I went ahead and did off camera, which required a little heat, is as I said before, is Alignment pre-assembles most of all their parts for parts count, and they weigh the boxes so no parts are lost. So what I went ahead and did off camera is put a little heat on the grips, popped out the radial bearings, popped out the thrust bearings, and I went ahead and used the one-way bearing grease that actually Align gives you in the kit. Pack it really well inside the bearing of that open race, pack it in really good, and then while the grips are still warm, I reassemble everything and make sure I snap that radial bearing, put a little blue Loctite around it and snap it into place, use a socket that fits down inside of there, and then I put the whole assembly together while it's still warm and draw it in with some Loctite and draw it in. So that one step is done. We're going to continue on forward with assembling of the grip arms here. Of course, we're going to add some more Loctite to this. Now, key to the Loctite is basically not to overdo it. I just like to dab the end of the threads. I've never had any part pull out from this new design. It just requires a nice feel when you bring it down in. Just a nice snug turn to set it. I'll go ahead and do the other one. Now I also went ahead, put a little lubricant on the dampeners as we show on the spindle here. The new hard dampeners from Align work very, very well with the fly bar system. The harder dampeners, they're actually the better things start to fly. So a little lubricant on that, snug it up nice. A little snug there. So for right now, I'm going to leave the head button off so I can move the head around and the grips around freely as I need. But this is all set up, ready to go. We're going to move on to the next phase, which is setting up the swash plate. Now the new swash plate has two holes, inner and outer. For the Align stuff, set up with the 3GX, we're going to use the inner holes on the new swash plate. Other flybarless systems may require you to use the outer hole for resolution issues. So we're going to go ahead and move on to that, and we'll be right back.